You can also do magnification. So if I want to show you, if you're sitting in the back of the class, you can now magnify. But then of course you've got this one I love. So it's hand recognition, similar to your notebook, but now you can use it to.
It's just too much.
Okay. So it's that functionality of not having to need the keyboard to actually navigate the system.
Oh yes,
like super awesome.
yes.
Because it stops you from having to.
And the star.
Having delays and all that.
There's stars for favorites. So that's where you can add additional things. So you've got all of your pen tools.
Yeah. Where's the capture one? The capture button? Because you should be able to. Where is it? There's capture. So if I go and I'm explaining something.
Yeah, so just
and then
this
you
one.
go to, yeah.
Now you can.
Now.
Oh, highlights, okay.
Yes.
Now it takes a photo.
Send into notebook.
As soon as you're back into notebook, there's my
image.
snapshot. So if it was from a handbook or whatever the case might be,
Then you can explain it further.
you can grab your pen tools and stuff.
See, and then you can. You know why?
You know, this is just too much, man. It's too cool.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a black pen and a red pen.
Sure.
Yeah, that's the,
Yeah.
the
So that
ID.
you can, so you writing and I might so we write at the same time.
Okay, same time.
Okay.
So,
But you've got two different colors.
two different colors. So I can't be
Okay.
yours.
So that features called pen ID.
Yeah.
And of course you can change the color of your pen and it's going to remember
Yeah, I
the
The same, same thing. Okay.
The choice.
You
Okay.
can obviously use your finger as well.
That's good.
Yeah.
You don't have to sell it to me.
I will sell it to you.
You need that sales guy.
Yeah.
I'll probably buy one of them as well. But I want the 7,000. I want the
Yeah.
7,000.